Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best dumb phones in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best dumb phones. The 5th product on our list is Nokia 3310. It is one of the best senior-friendly phones, as all the features are designed to offer a great user experience. The phone was a milestone in the beginning of the modern era. Being one of the best budget-friendly phones in the market, the Nokia 3310 has a big screen with chunky and round buttons for high convenience. It is a compact, lightweight phone with a smooth, eye-catching finish and a removable, long-lasting battery. Using this phone, you can make calls, send messages, and play MP3 and FM radio. The simple functionality, QVGA screen, headphone jack, 16 MB of internal memory, and micro USB charger. The phone will remind you of your first phone and will take you down memory lane. The best part is that it has an amazing battery life, which makes it a perfect choice as a backup phone while you are holidaying. Up next in 4th place is the Nokia 225 4G Dual SIM. A well-built, inexpensive, and efficient phone, the Nokia 225 4G Dual SIM phone is all you need to keep yourself connected to your colleagues and parents. It is a handy, compact, and sturdy phone with amazing features like a user-friendly design, the ability to sync contacts from Android, and old-school style features. However, if you love the old-school vibe, this phone is just for you. Featuring a flat keypad with a 4-way rocker, this phone has a decent display screen and a Unisoc USM 9117 chipset. It is available in different colors and has multiple ringtones to choose from. You can play simple games on the phone. There is an FM radio, a single VGA camera, Bluetooth, and more. The 3rd product on our list is the CAT B35, which is full of practical features apart from its eye-catching design and durable construction with a small, lightweight design. It has almost 12 hours of talk time and has Google Maps for navigation. It has 2 SIM slots and works with 4G and Wi-Fi connections. The phone has everything you would want in a work phone and goes above the requirements to give you an experience that is one step closer to a basic smartphone. A true combination of simplicity and convenience, the CAT B35 has a highly durable casing, which is rugged and has IP68 certification. It has a dual-core Qualcomm 8905 processor, built-in FM radio, 4G support, and 4 GB storage with an expandable microSD card. For more details, see if it fits your requirements. The 2nd product on our list is the Doro 1370. A super easy and inexpensive phone with a large display screen and battery life. It has excellent sound quality with a vibrating ringer and additional features like alarms, reminders, etc., which make this phone one of the best options for the elderly as it is easy to use and maintain. The sleek design with easy-to-navigate buttons makes this phone a must-have. The phone is hearing aid compatible and connects to the network really fast. Although the memory is limited, approximately 60 messages, it offers ease of usage and a sturdy body that lasts longer even after a little rough use. An easy-to-use phone for the elderly, the Doro 1370 has a wide display screen, easily removable separate buttons, and an auxiliary button that enhances security. Have a look at the features of this phone and don't hesitate to buy if it serves your requirements. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Nokia 2720 Fold. It helps avoid distractions and boost productivity, as it has useful features that let you make calls and send messages. It is one of the best mobile phones for the elderly with big buttons. The best thing about this phone is its advanced features while keeping its simplicity intact. For instance, strong voice quality, Bluetooth, video recording, user-friendly navigation, FM radio, video recording, etc. With the Nokia 2720, you get more than you ask for. This smudge-prone flip phone has extensive controls with a decent design. It is available in different colors and has the ability to add more than 500 contacts to your address books. Features like hands-free speakerphones, STMP email messages, built-in music player, good battery life, and talk time are icing on the cake. We've made a summary of all the technical features along with the pricing and weight so that you can look and decide. That's all for our list of the 5 best dumb phones on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.